we are going to calculate what is the energy stored in an battery and what is the maximum power output of an battery when the batteries are connected in series connection. Let's try to understand. A problem is given to us. This is battery 1, this is battery 2 and this is battery 3. So what kind of connection the batteries are connected now? Series connection. What is the connection of series? This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, this is positive terminal, negative terminal. Okay, so this is positive terminal, this is negative. How to connect them in series? The negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal, the negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal, and resultantly you are going to get one positive terminal and one negative terminal. Okay, so now we want to estimate the energy stored in the battery. Now each battery, what is the rating of the battery? 12 volts, 12 volts and 12 volts. Okay, so how to calculate the energy rating? Let's try to see here. You are having 3 batteries like this: battery 1, battery 2, battery 3, and we need to find out the system voltage of the batteries. So this is 12 volts, 12 volts, 12 volts. Try to apply the KVL. So when you apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law, current of 5 amperes is flowing like this. Current is leaving. What is the leaving polarity? Plus 12. What is the leaving polarity? Plus 12. What is the leaving polarity here? Plus 12. And you see here current is flowing system voltage and it's flowing like this. What is the leaving polarity of the voltage? Minus V system. That is equal to 0. So when you move this negative symbol to the right hand side, so 12 plus 12 is how much? 24. 24 plus 12 is how much? 36. Therefore, the system voltage of when the batteries are connected in series connection, how much voltage is going to give the maximum? So it is going to give an output voltage of 36 voltage. Now when these 3 batteries are connected in series, what is the system voltage we got? V system voltage is equal to how much? 36 volts. And coming to the AH capacity. So how these batteries are connected? Series or parallel? Series. In a series connection, what is constant? Current is constant. Current is constant and given time is also constant. So current into time, which is nothing but however the AH capacity is also what? Constant. So what is the AH capacity of each battery? 150 AH. Therefore AH capacity of the system is equal to, since current is constant and given time is also constant, therefore what is the AH capacity of this complete set? 150 AH. 150 AH. So to this 3 batteries connected in series connection, we have to find out the energy stored in this combination. Okay, so therefore the complete energy stored is equal to, so what is the formula for energy? Voltage into current. Okay, so what is the system voltage? So voltage of the system multiplied with what? The ampere hour. Okay, so voltage into current is nothing but what? Watt hour is nothing but what? The energy stored in. How many batteries are connected in series? 3 batteries. Okay, so what is the system voltage? We had already calculated 36 volts. And what is the AH capacity? Already we calculated 150 AH. Calculate this value. How much? 36 into 150. Calculate it. 5400 watts. Watt hour. But never we have in these units, we require to express in kilowatt. Okay, what you are going to do now? So in order to express in the standard format, multiply with 1000 and divide with 1000. Okay, when you divide with this 1000, this is 3 decimals will come and we are going to get 5.4 and this 1000 can be written as kWh. So what is the rating of this battery system? This 5.4 kilowatt hour. So there is a first question asked. If I calculate the energy stored in the series connection of the batteries, what is the energy stored in the series connection of 3 batteries? 5.4 kWh. Next one, calculate the power stored. Okay, what is the formula for power? System voltage into current. Yes or no? So system voltage into system current. Okay, so what is the system current now? So we need to calculate this system current. So what is the system current? How to calculate system current? So this is nothing but AH rating of the system So AH means what you are going to get? Ampere hour. But what I require? I require the current divided with number of hours. How many number of hours are given? 10 hours. Okay. So divided by 10 hours. Okay. What is the AH capacity of the system? We calculated 150 AH. So this is 150 AH divided by 10 hours. Hours will get cancelled. So this is how much? 15 amperes. So what is the system current now? When you connect this in connection, how much current is flowing? So a current of how many amperes is flowing? 15 amperes current is flowing for a time of how many hours? 10 hours. Therefore, what is the capacity of the system? 150 Ah is the battery capacity, or which is called as the AH capacity of the system. Okay. So when you multiply this, what is the system voltage? We have already got it. 36 volts multiplied with, so what is the system current? 15 amperes. Okay. So multiply this and say express in watts. 540 watts is the power stored by the battery. This is the energy stored by the battery. So how to express into kilowatts? Multiply with 1000 and divide with 1000. So when you multiply with divide with 1000, how much it is? 0.5 kilowatts. 0.5 kilowatts. This is how much? 5.4 kilowatt hour. Okay. Sir, why this is increased this many times? Means it is scaled with how many times? 3 times the voltage. It is increased how many times? 3 times the voltage. That's why it is going to store more amount of energy. Hope you are able to understand. So what the problem asked is estimate the energy stored in the series connection of battery. So this is energy stored in the, how many batteries are connected in series? 3 number of batteries are connected in series connection, and estimate the maximum power in this 3 series connection of batteries. Okay. So this is the diagram given. We estimated the voltage as how much? 36. Why? Because all are connected in series connection, and the system is how much? 36. And already I told that what is constant? Current is constant. Since current is constant, what is constant? AH is constant. The system AH is also 150. So system is 36 and AH is 150. You get energy stored by the 3 batteries in series connection. So here we want system current. What is the formula for system current? AH capacity of the system by time. So automatically hours will get cancelled. You express in current, you multiply with current and the voltage, then you are going to get the power stored by the battery.